Hey guys, welcome to day 6 of 100 Days of Code. And well done for making it this far. So today we're going to talk about code blocks and indentation, as well as functions, and also a different flavor from the for loops that we saw yesterday. Today we're going to talk about while loops as well. And to learn all of these things, we're going to use the help of something that's very similar to Carol the robot. And this is something I used when I first learned how to code. And it's one of my favorite tools for learning programming, especially as we get into more difficult concepts like functions and while loops, etc. And by the end of the day, we're going to be writing the code that's required to instruct our little robot to be able to complete any randomly generated maze. So that's the goal. And if you head over to the next lesson, let's get started and let's start learning about some of these things.